Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It will take at least above 5 or maybe even 10 seconds. Okay, and after the watch turns off, you can release the button, the watch should vibrate, and then we can wait until the watch is done rebooting. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.